Alright guys, guess what? This is a ceiling fan here. This is an old Harbor Breeze. I forgot the model, I'll look it up in a minute, but yes, this fan doesn't even work. This fan is getting replaced with a white Harbor Breeze Centerville one. Me and my uncle getting ready to put it in. The motor's burning out. See? Yep, it won't turn really fast. Not good. So this fan is getting replaced with a newer one. And yes, this is going to be really amazing. I'm going to put this in together for you. Anyway, I'll be back to y'all in just a minute. Anyway, there y'all go. I'll be right back in just a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Just opened the box. Getting ready to have it replaced with this one, because that one's not working good. I don't know why. But crazy as crap. But instructions. Here's the blades. Gonna assemble the blades. Here's the arm blades. Light bulbs. Mountain kit. Here's the other parts. There it is, right there. Alright. We'll get back to that in just a minute. I can't wait. This is going to be really cool. Alright, guys. Be right back to y'all and... You know what? Just ignore...
Keeping it together?
Yeah.
Cool beans.
Sorry. That's my mom. Alright, guys. I'm back. Now I'm now going to begin opening it. See? Here we go, arm blade. Can't get these. See? I'll get back to y'all in just I'm back. Now I will be stopping the video a lot because if somebody comes in here, I don't want to get a copyright of them talking, so that's why I'll be stopping the video a lot. But you know, I couldn't at first. I thought they only gave us 3. I was like, this is not good. I looked everywhere in the box. I couldn't find it, but guess what? They were hiding here. Oh. Wait. Alright. Arm blades. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver and pop a little hole through here so I can... Now, yes, the reason I got this one because my uncle actually got this at Lowe's earlier this morning. Oh, crazy. Yeah, crazy. I don't know why. This is bad. I don't know why this... It looks like it's a new ceiling fan. I don't know why, but... Anyway, here's the blades. You can have them between between white and light in that color, oak, whatever, light oak. But we're gonna have them pointing down like this. You can hear the other fan humming. All right, guys. I'll be right back in a minute. So I will make a separate video of this fan eventually, and who knows, but. Yes, I do love ceiling fans, and if you ask, yes, Harbor Breeze is my favorite type of ceiling fan, so anyway, I'll get back to y'all in just a minute. Anyway, get back to y'all here in just a minute, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I had to take here's the pull chains, there's the globe, the hardware for it. I just took it apart. I know, I'm sorry I didn't video it. It would be really hard to do. I didn't want to drop it and hurt my foot or hurt it on my head. And I wouldn't want to break it. But Anyway, gonna replace it. I don't know why. This is a good Harbor Breeze fan, I don't know, but as you can see, I don't know why the heck it does that craziest crap, but see, it's nothing. So yeah, the fan doesn't work. Alright guys, I'll get back to y'all in just a minute. Anyway, I'll get back to y'all in just a minute as I get the blades together. Until then, that's it. Alright guys, just got the first arm kit attached to the blade here. Got one attached to the blade. I gotta do the rest of them, but see, fan's nice. All right, I'll wait right there. I'll be back to y'all in just a second. Two blades are put together now. Got these 3 to do. I'll be back in just a minute. 3 down. 2 to go. 4 down. 1 to go. Almost done. All right. Got them all put together. Here we go. Now we're gonna save these. I gotta get back here in just a minute. Now, before I ask, I will be making a video of me installing this fan, but I'm not gonna video the whole thing, but it's gonna be really, really hard. But I will let you all, I'll video some of it, because it'll be hard. I'll be helping my uncle do the hard part, but got these things put together. So whenever I'm ready, gotta take that thing down and put it together. Anyway, be right back to y'all in just a second. Alright guys, as you can see, I took the whole thing down right there. See? Get ready to take these screws out. So, yeah. I use pretty much that. So, I'll get back to y'all in just a minute. Anyway. This is a cool fan. I don't know why, but it's really weird. But, anyway, I'll get back to y'all later. Alright, guys. Look at that. Only with 3 blades on. If it was working, it'd be growing really fast and I wouldn't have to replace it. 2 blades down. Really cool. Really cool. Only spin with 2 blades. With only 1 blade on. Slow down, slow down. Cool. Okay. Alright. Alright, guys. Just got the whole blades down. Got the fan down. Alright, yay. Got the whole thing down. Now I gotta have some assistance taking this down, which is gonna be pretty hard. Man. Hard, yeah. Yeah, the blades are a little dusty, which I am gonna have to. Maybe I'll make a van. If I have time, I'll try to make a video of the other fans and maybe clean something like that. But anyway, there we go. Before I ask, feel free to leave any comments, but please don't, once again, please don't ask to take any of the crap that I have, like the old attached parts, because I'm not giving it away. I'm not giving the light kit away. I don't know, but I'll figure something out anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll get y'all back here a little bit. I mean, because I'm not done yet, but I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Until then, that's going to be it for right now. Hey guys, now I'm going to take this off. And there's the motor. Alright. These screws right here, right?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Just put them right here. Oops. Here's the other screw.
When you do that, you probably want to hold it. There you go. Just you have to do it with one hand.
I can. Oh.
Takes muscles.
Here we go.
And just let it kind of hang there for a second. Wire nut so you can do it kind of close and then make it look like you're the one doing it.
Okay.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a hand.
No. You better let me do it, but you can just video just the wire there.
All right.
It's just my hands.
Sorry.
You ready?
Yeah.
Not touching any metal.
Never want to touch metal. Danger.
Okay, and those are hot, so what we'll need to do is put wire nuts on that so we can take that frame off.
So that's the motor right there.
Yeah, that's the bad part.
I know.
All right, let's put these wire nuts back on here so we can, where's our flashlight? Let me borrow that. It's got 3 modes, you know that, right?
Okay. You gonna leave that out there, that black thing up there?
Pretty much. We're just gonna get that out of the way. And put that there so it won't shock us.
Yeah.
That's for safety. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we'll get this frame off from those 2 screws there.
Missed
and
one.
Pull that
right
apart.
there.
This green one?
Yeah.
That don't matter. That's ground.
Okay. What's the difference between ground? What are all the wires for?
Well, yeah, hot, and then you got a neutral.
What's the neutral?
Probably marked. 2 hots and 1 neutral, and you got electricity coming out of 2 of these. That's why you got 2 switches.
Yeah, and then what's the
And this
hot?
ground keeps it from shocking you if you touch it.
And what's the hot?
Hot means electricity, so.
Not like the wire gets hot.
Oh yeah, it can get hot if you touch it because
So
it's got electricity going.
What's the
through it.
green one for?
That's the ground.
What's
and
the
that,
ground?
Well, that keeps it grounded to the. It keeps it from shocking you when you touch it. If you didn't have that, you would.
All right.
I'm going to probably use these 2 bolts in a minute. Well, they're long.
They're like 2 inches. Like
Yeah, they are. You know, before we take these off, let's look at that other one and see if it's the exact same. It may be, and if it isn't.
Whoa.
Okay, now you want to try to take this out without touching the metal to the. We don't want it to shock us, so we slip that through there. There you go. Good deal.
Look at that. So what's that thing inside there? Is that what holds the wires?
Yeah, that if you take that out, you can see up into the ceiling.
So what's that thing called?
This is your whole framework that everything hangs from. We got to have that up in there. And it will go right there with those 2 screws we just had.
You gotta get that ground wire.
Yeah, let's get that out of there. We'll use that in a minute. We'll take these 2 screws.
If they'll fit.
Yeah, they'll fit. A little dusty.
That's why some next time I come back over, I'm gonna clean all of our fans too someday.
That's nice of you. Hey, Jason.
Do you need me to get on the other stand and hold anything up there?
No, they got it pretty much now where one person can do, or 2 people can do it. So he's the,
Okay.
yeah, we're good to go.
All right.
Are you wanting to tighten those screws?
Sure.
Do you?
Safety first. Do not touch the wires. Don't over tighten the screws. Okay. All right, and then we'll tighten this. There we go.
And one more time on the other side?
Sure.
Just a little bit, because it will shake a little bit, the fan. There
That's
you
it, got it, got it.
Probably good.
So next thing you gotta do is you gotta measure how many voltage. So what's the difference between that voltage of black and white, of black and red?
110 volts.
Never want to touch them.
We got nothing. There's no electricity coming through it.
Because the switches are down.
Yep. So we're in good shape. All right. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna put the, gonna get these wires out here so we can work with them.
You already got the wire connectors?
Yeah, we'll take these wires, put them out of the way, and these screws are gonna go up into that. Like that. I need these screws out of there.
Screwed out of there.
Yeah, I need these screws out of here. These screws right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
And these shake when the fan's going, so you need to make sure you put them in pretty snug.
So is this an AC motor?
Alternating current. Yeah.
So alternating current goes everywhere, and then
Back and forth.
DC goes in one direction.
That's right. It's kind of like a battery. A battery goes in one direction.
Like this way, or
Anyway, usually you see it on a battery. It'll show you the direction the current flows. But alternating current is it goes back and forth between the power plant back into the house. It's constantly moving. All right, that should be good and snug. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's see if I can fix this green right here.
in a minute we'll put the motor housing.
Yes, them wires poke you every now and then. I need to get a wire nut.
The wire. I don't understand why, if this is a good ceiling fan, why the old one just quit working. Just like...
They just do. Motors get old. They just get old after a while.
Well, they get dust on them.
Sometimes. It can be dust. It could be just age. I mean, they're machines that can go bad after a while. They're made out of metal, and metal can wear down.
Just like elevators.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pretty much. Now, let's tuck them guys in there a little bit. Gotta get them out of the way.
Can you put some tape on them?
We can. Would you like to?
Sure.
Let's make it safer. Let me go get some electrical tape.
Now.
Do you have a knife? No knife?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna find some scissors.
That's all right. We got it, man. We got this. Let me come over there and do a little bit of the... Power still off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Switches are down. Check. Electrical tape. Is that electrical proof?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's rubbered, so it would be all right to touch metal. Let's get that white one done too.
How do screws hold things in place?
Oh man, them things are like miracles. They sure
Like
are.
when you drill a hole?
Pretty much, pretty much. So, you got our fan blades. That's good. We're going to put them on in a minute. Let's see. Where's all the parts of the lights here?
In there.
Is there a... That's bulbs in
LED bulbs, and then we got, here's the motor housing.
Okay. Yeah, we'll put that on next.
You gotta put that on first.
So these things right here will connect to... I'm just going through it. This will connect to that. Like that, and then that goes up to there, but the blades, we can put blades on first. Since that
We gotta put the motor housing on first.
Okay. All right. Motor housing out. Let's see. We probably just need to loosen the screws, and then they'll go in. Phillips head screwdriver. Are these the old fan blades?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, they're dirty. We don't want that on the bed.
Sorry.
Yeah, let's not put that on the bed. Let's put that in the floor.
Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, they got dust.
There's the old fan.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
So, we're going to loosen this.
Right here.
One of them will have to come out. This one right here. Let me see the other side of the housing. Is it the same way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't.
Hmm.
No.
Let's see.
So,
let me see the housing again. Okay, so we need that one right there on the right side taken out.
that's quite. Some fans have 3 blades, 4 and 5, and some even have 6
How
blades.
many's this got?
This one has 5.
5?
Depends on how they build them, but some even have 2 blades, and some fans have 1.
Yeah.
Some even have 9 or 10.
Okay, so let's have that housing.
I'll put it on for you.
And what we're doing,
I'll tighten up the blades for you. Oh.
and twist.
Let me tighten them.
Let me put okay. You want to do the
Oops. There we go. And then next we need to if I can.
Looks like a whole new door.
There we go.
Now, if it's coming sideways, you can go ahead and turn the motor around to this hole over here where the screwdriver can go through.
Oh,
There you go.
never saw that.
Yeah.
Make sure you just.
And we'll just take 2 out at a time to do 1 blade at a time.
And then you'll know. Ah. Oh, there it is.
Got it?
At least.
And we'll hang on to that one because the other screws might get. There you go.
Not, yeah, you don't have to video the whole thing because it'll be wasting time because it's the same thing, just
Okay.
different thing. So I want after this one. All right.
Put it right here on top of your ladder. And then get your fan blade. And put one of them up there.
Here's the fan blade. All right. Let me step down one. So first thing you need to do is you need to put one. I think so, yeah. If I can just.
Let me go get another step stool or.
I think I got. Can you push up a little bit? Yeah. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh. It's okay.
Oh no. This is hard work. If I can get. There we go. There we go.
And how many of those do you have to do?
5.
So that's how you do one of them. Very difficult, but we'll just do the other 4 and probably don't need to video all of it. We'll video it when you get it all on.
Alright. Looking good, guys. 2 blades to go. So I got it all put together, like I said. I did one, but like I said, it's the same thing. I had to take the screws out, put them through the holes to the blades, and put them back on. See?
You get all 5 blades?
Yes, sir. They're got them all tied up. Good. Fan's almost done.
Okay.
See? One way pulls air up, one way pulls air down. Yeah. Now all we have to do is get the light kit, get the lights in, attach the pull chains, and we're done.
Okay, that's loose. And this one over here. That one's loose. Let me loosen this other one for you, and then you can take them out. So you video?
Yeah, I'll get me a...
You don't have to video that.
That's all right. Next thing I gotta do is we gotta... I think if I can... No, I think I can actually use my fingers. There we go. Okay, what do you get me like these?
Yeah, right there. We'll save those for later.
Kind of hard to get out.
That should be finger tight too.
There we go. Last one. Can you see it okay? Thanks.
They've got paint on them. That's why there's a little
Pain to get off.
Yeah, when it's got paint on it, it's hard to get through that last little bit. But when they painted it white, it put a little white paint on it.
Oops.
All right.
That screw go. Here we go.
All right. So now we're gonna hook the what?
That's the light thing.
Okay.
See, we got the light.
A little white. I need to see that.
I got it for you.
Can you? Are you videoing?
Yeah, let me stop.
That's all right. I just need to see where that goes.
Okay. I think you have it right, yeah. All right. Mm-hmm.
Now put your screws in.
Let's see.
That's wrong. You know what I'm saying? There's 2 grooves. One of them's got the light switch, and one of them's got the
The reverse switch.
Yeah, should do it right there. Do you see the screws over there? Is there a wire sticking out?
No.
There's nothing sticking out over there to keep it from going up?
No.
Okay. So you put your screws in there.
Okay, can you push up a little more? Okay. There we go. Got one in.
Screw that in.
Yeah. Oh. Let me come up a little higher.
Let me see. You're gonna wind up scratching the paint.
Hard work.
Yeah, you are. Now there's one more over there on the other side. I'm afraid to tighten it up until we get that other one in. Let's check that other one first.
I think it looks okay. Let me get that smaller screwdriver.
Yeah, that's gonna work. And this one.
Yeah. All right.
Is that one over there tight?
I think so.
Okay.
Yep, that's gonna control the light. That controls the fan.
Yeah, good to go. All right. Let's put some bulbs in it and see what happens.
All right.
See if it turns off everything before we do anything.
A quick test. Yep. Now these are LED bulbs. These should last longer.
Yeah. Something ain't working. Those switches on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've lost power somehow, so we need to get back in there and find out what cable came loose.
Oh no.
That's all right, it happens. One of the wires came loose.
Wait, the fan works.
Yeah, but the battery housing's not right. Oh, okay, now we know. So turn the light back on. Turn your fan on. Pull the chain for the fan. Now leave it there. Okay, now turn the fan off on the switch and see if it turns it off. Both of them off?
I think so. Yeah, they're down.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take these things and put them in.
All right.
It's beautiful. It looks so much better than that dark brown one did. I'll call you guys first for all my electrical repair needs.
Some of it I don't mind doing, but some of them I don't want to do. That air conditioning unit, I didn't want to touch that one. That was a little scary.
They were really nice.
Yeah, that was good people. You're welcome.
the second one that came over actually wore a mask. He's the first like repair person who's shown up with a mask on all in case.
Yeah, nice. Turn on this flashlight. I can't turn off anymore.
Jacoby,
Mm.
can you fix flashlights?
I think so, maybe. I'm not sure.
That button has a bad connection.
Alright.
That's beautiful.
Almost done. Just a minute. LED bulbs, these should. This one I shouldn't have to clean for a while. It's been fresh. Then the last thing we gotta do is get the alright. One last thing I gotta do is put the things on. I'll be back there in just a second. Alright guys, one last thing we gotta do is look at these are flat ones. Put the attached pull chains on, so I'm gonna lay my camera right here. Alright, got this one on. Now there's one more thing I have to do. One last thing I gotta do.
Yeah, that's a good one. I can't believe you've never seen it.
I didn't even know what it meant. I'm putting together a video.
Just ignore my dog.
He just wouldn't die.
We're having a stupid Zoom Christmas party at work.
Yeah.
And they're worried it's gonna flop. I wasn't even gonna go. And they called me and they wanted to make it interesting. So I'm gonna have coworkers around the country act out scenes from different Christmas movies. I'm actually gonna come to your house and put your broken lights all around me and go out in your front yard and put smoke on my face and pick my hair up and like pretend to pass out.
Sorry, y'all.
Coworker this morning sent me something from Die Hard.
If I can just get this on.
And then I looked up 25 most famous.
Yeah, Die Hard is like a vibe, like rock. There's a bunch of them. Yeah, there's.
Never seen flat ones before. Alright. Alright. I'll get back to y'all here in just a second. Alright. Our new fan is done. Nice bright LED lights. Really, really cool. Oh yeah.